Today we are learning how to make sweet, sticky rice. First, place a cup of sweet rice into a bowl. Soak in water for 1 hour. Then drain the water. You can find sticky rice at your local Oriental market or grocery store.
Once drained, place all the rice into a steamer and steam for 20 minutes. Rice is a main staple in the Hmong diet. It is very important in our everyday meal. We eat rice with main dishes such as stir-fry or soups. Many Asian countries have rice as an available crop. Therefore, it is a main source of their diets. Rice is also high in fiber and usually does not have much flavor, but balances and absorbs well with other flavorful foods. After the rice has steamed for 20 minutes or until you see a lot of steam from the pot, remove the top of the steamer. Scoop the sticky rice into a separate bowl or container.
Be very careful because the rice is hot.
Once placed in a bowl, stir the rice as much as possible. We want to make sure the sticky rice releases most, if not all, of the steam. This will help the rice become much more pressed together and much cooler. Sticky rice is extremely fun to eat, but it can get really messy on your fingers. To make the rice purple, our grandma boiled down some purple corn husks for 15 minutes. She pours some of the liquid onto the rice and stirs until the color is purple. Here, she is adding an additional layer of purple to make it as bright as possible. The color purple adds a much more beautiful shade to the rice and can be much more presentable, appetizing, or appealing. For the sticky rice that has no color, add about 1/4 cup of hot water and stir occasionally. Again, we want to release as much steam and air as possible and allow for the liquid to evaporate.
Fun fact, rice is actually the world's most commonly eaten food.
In the Hmong culture, sticky rice is commonly eaten with deep-fried foods, such as Hmong sausages, egg rolls, and fried fish. It is also very common to see and is eaten during events such as Hmong New Year's. If you love sweets, you can also add fruits and coconut milk to sticky rice to make a sweet treat dessert. If you want to add other fun colors to sticky rice, separate the white rice into different bowls and use food coloring of your choice. With some hot water, blend the rice well. Grandma Lore mixes in a few drops of red food coloring to make the rice more pink.
Have you noticed that we have to stir a lot?
For the last step, we want to steam the sticky rice once more for 15 minutes. Then place into a bowl and stir until all the steam is out.
Sticky rice is now ready to eat. Enjoy!